Hello everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and today we're going to be talking about what is high quality CDL training. So if you're watching this video, that probably means that you are interested in getting yourself a CDL license. And if you want to get yourself a CDL license, that means you have to go to a driving school. Now back in 2022, earlier this year in February, there was actually a rule that came out that mandated anyone who wants to get a CDL license must go to an approved training provider. That being said, it is super important that when you choose your approved training provider, you must make sure it's a high quality training. So in today's video, we're going to help you discover how to know if it's high quality or low quality training. So the first thing that you can actually check out is going to be, I want you to go there and visit the location. See how it's kind of set up. Is it high end, low end? Is it just somebody in a trailer or someplace like that? And then that starts kind of giving that impression. The second thing is going to be the price. So if something is super low on price, that usually means the quality is not going to be as good. I mean, we know everything with everything else, the same thing comes with the training. Good quality training does cost more money. To give you an example, here at Driving Academy, we have things that other schools don't have. For instance, we have our CDL driving simulators. We actually just got 2 of them this year. And those things are expensive to purchase, which costs a little bit more money to operate, but it makes a much better quality training for the actual student itself, right? And then also we have a brand new paving yard that we just paved out. So we're willing to invest into our students, but for that we have to make sure that our prices are competitive and not going to be the lowest in the market. That being said, so once you kind of have that feel for it, then you want to start seeing, okay, what kind of curriculum do they have set up? Are they approved on the national database? Are they not approved on the national database? All these questions kind of come up. So our mission is pretty much to create the best truck driving school in the entire country. And we're actually proven correctly with cool company called The World's Greatest. So what they wound up doing is they're a company that have a TV show on the Bloomberg network, and they go to different industries and they try to find out the best in that industry. So a few months back they came to us, and because they wanted to investigate the truck driving school industry, and they invited us to apply with a couple hundred other schools. And after all this interview and after them doing a whole bunch of research, they wound up picking us as the world's best truck driving school, or as they say, the world's greatest truck driving school. And that was a great honor for us to have, simply because now we can say that we are the mark on quality training. So not only are we super competitive on price, not only do we have payment plans available starting as low as $500 down, we're open up 7 days a week, but now you can actually use Driving Academy's stamp of approval for quality training. So what have we designed? We've designed a one-stop shop for the entire CDL needs. So that means people can come in with their permit or without their CDL permit, we can help you out. We have courses that you can do here in our classroom, or you can do it at home at your own time with our online training program. Once you actually have your CDL permit, then you're going to come in for the interactive, actual hands-on training, and then we have to get you ready for all 3 parts of the road test. You're going to have a very intensive pre-trip inspection training. That's where you're going to spend a lot of your time when you are training, simply because that's the hardest part for most people to pass. The second part of the training is actually parking the truck 6 different ways, and the third part of the training is actually driving the truck on the road itself. When you're in our training yard, we've developed a system where you're always rotating throughout the different stations, and you always have something to be working on. So it makes it super efficient for you, and you're not wasting your time. And because we have now become the world's greatest truck driving school, we actually just became the first and only truck driving school franchise. So we're actually opening up locations nationwide. Our first target is to get to 50 locations nationwide. So if you're interested in maybe opening up your very own Driving Academy, or maybe you just want to get your CDL license, either way you can give us a call at 908-525-3609 so we can actually walk you through the entire process and help you out that way. So if you are interested in getting the seal of approval and you want to see a Driving Academy near you, give us a call, 908-525-3609. Currently we're located in Linden, New Jersey. We have another location in Jackson, New Jersey, and one opening up in Maryland, Baltimore, Maryland. We're taking over the East Coast, but we can accept students from no matter what part of the country that you're in. We have actually 4 students start today, all from different states, from Florida, California, Texas, and all over the place. So if you are interested in joining our team and helping us help 1 million people get on the road to freedom, then give us a call, 908-525-3609, or check out our website at cdldrivingacademy.com. Again, that's cdldrivingacademy.com. Thanks, and have a great day. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.